listen. Lay me up. See the caddy in the cut? See the caddy in the cut? Now back to me. Now back to the caddy. Now back to me.
Now to the land. Hey, that was my fucking movie.
Crusty braids, you know what I'm saying? My shit's looking real Jim Jonesy right now. It's alright.
Nigga said real Jim Jonesy.
I'm saying nobody they close.
If you know, you know.
No, nobody here. Weird flex, but word. Weird flex, but shit. There you go. Man, she look good. Yo, what's the first meal you eating in the years?
No, bro.
What?
Not the first meal, the first song.
Alright, first song.
Of course, Fanum gonna talk about the first meal. I just thought about that shit.
We get matching lambs. Wait, so is our lambs? So I'm shit, right? My shit. What color your my shit blue. What color your Bugatti? What color your yours? Nah, for real. What's the first meal we eat? We never eating the lamb?
Nah.
Chinese food, wings, French fries, mad barbecue sauce, mad red sauce, hot sauce, crazy fries, nigga. Everything on that.
He trying to fuck the seats.
Oh, yeah, God did.
God did.
Nah, you're
Oh, what bank are they at that has many? Are they the bank or the dealership?
You know when they walk around, they look at you like.
Oh, that's a dealership.
Wait from eating the bacon, egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese in the years. I told you this shit. I told you saying like niggas is from. No, niggas is excellent, bro. Niggas is from like dirty ass Bronx.
It is dirty though.
God did.
God did.
That's gonna be a good picture.
Wow, that high. Shit. Going on, man. What's going on? Playing with them, nigga. Yes, sir. Talk to them, man. That's a red mom. Yo, it's 2023, you heard? 2023, red mom.
Safe.
I mean,
Appreciate the follow.
Man.
Welcome in. Welcome
Brooks,
in.
Excellent.
Hope you enjoy your stay.
Nah, this McLaren though. Hold on. Y'all say they ain't believe in us, but God did.
God did.
Lay me up. See the caddy in the cut? See the caddy in the
What's
cut?
up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
Now back to the caddy. Now back to me. Fuck is you talking? Hold on, hold on. Nah, get the fuck out of there. Get the fuck out of there.
Nah, that's crazy.
Hold on. God damn, yo, and he's still doing.
Niggas woke up and got a lamb today, bro.
Woke up and got a lamb though. Listen, and got the lamb today. You heard?
Crazy, nigga. I'ma fall asleep with my shit.
Why are we in the garage?
Imagine.
Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Open. I woke up today and said, yo, let me get a lamb.
Said, Fanum, we out?
I said, Fanum, yo, we out, bro?
I said, fuck it, bro, we out.
Fuck it, bro, we out.
Imagine this like to have that luxury.
God, bro.
One day.
Like, I don't
Soon.
We prayed for this, bro. Like, don't get it twisted. This is not like we're not done. Don't talk to these niggas, gang. Hold on. Drop it to the floor, make that. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with niggas, man.
Not Ryan in the cut.
Like, this is how we coming, though, like.
Oh man, I haven't experienced that, but I know when that time comes, it's gonna be crazy. She's pregnant with twins?
I say work hard for this, play hard, work harder though. Oh, bro. This shit still on? From the Bronx, yo, Bronx excellence. Look, lamb over there. You know what I'm saying? Lamb
Hey,
over
that
there.
is insane.
You know what I mean?
That is insane.
Fuck is that niggas got that, you are?
That is an insane story.
Got that, you know what I mean? Fuck this niggas talking about rent. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing.
I wish y'all nothing but the best.
This how niggas just coming right there though, bro. Damn. Niggas shitty. Don't think I forgot about the Green Goblin. I did not forget about the Green Goblin.
Sheesh. Nah, that rap is crazy.
Still purring. Hold on. Goblin, the Green Goblin. What tu maldita vida? From the Bronx though, from like Bronx.
What do you want me to do, Current? He's here.
Like, damn,
He's here.
Like, feel me? From the Bronx though, like, feel me? Here go Cuddy.
Your twin grandma? How does that work?
Here he go. Hey, yo,
We got Cuddy in the cut.
I'm like that.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Wait. Phantom got the hands a little bit. Hold on, that was.
Could dunk on you, bro. I'm like that.
Hold on, that was. He got the H a little bit.
Hell no.
Should have made it, but that was a good move.
Oh my God.
I think Phantom lost a couple more pounds. He was skinnier. He could be a problem.
I got you. My bitch talking to me already.
Ah, we God did, man.
Damn.
No, that sounds beautiful. That sounds beautiful.
Bro.
That sounds beautiful. Y'all hear that?
On the way you did.
Y'all hear the crackles?
I got hold on, I put my shit on. What cause it, nigga? D-Block knew who that? I ain't D-Block no fucking 2S Davis. Yeah!
Nah, Davis is taken away. I ain't gonna lie. Imagine pulling up and your man's just had 2 irises, bro.
Like, come on, bro. You know what's going on, bro. Yo, you know what's going on, bro. Yeah, like, he got Alcantara. He got good interior. Nah, I got leather. You got, like, Alcantara. I got the, you know what I mean? The you know what I mean?
Alcantara, y'all hear that?
But what makes his his is better. He got this. This slit, y'all got that slit. That slit means his shit tuned differently. And like a week though, my shit finna run faster than that fool. I know you see what's going on, nigga. I know you see what's
One day, me and gang one day.
I know you see what's going on.
Consistency is key. We gonna fucking make it. Hey, yo, no, that's crazy. That's crazy. Dropping your dick on the car is crazy.
Sitting in the back of the lane, you heard? Bro. Worked hard, bro. And we still working, like, I swear to God, bro, I'm telling you, gang, like, I'm still working. This is, bro, flit, like, shout out to the fucking troop. Oh my God. Shout out to the troop, baby. We still working.
No cap.
That's one thing we never.
The troop hold this nigga right. That's one thing I hope I could build a great ass community behind me, yo.
Work for it, bro. That's how I think about everything. You want something? Go work for it. Know what I mean? Go work for it, bro. The braids look bad, but the Lambo though. The Lambo look good.
I could look however I want climbing out of a fucking Lambo. You shitting me, nigga?
Cover, you feel me?
You shitting me?
Y'all keep grinding, keep trying for greatness in whatever you do. Feel me? A lot of people not gonna believe in your mission, your goals. As long as you believe, trust me, you gonna get there. Work hard, bro. Hard work beats talent when talent don't work hard. Listen, I live by that. Hard work beats talent when talent don't work hard. I'm telling y'all, bro, real shit, bro. God, yeah. She got soft clothes. Nobody knows. I'm not even posting this like ever. Oh my God.
That nigga just capped his ass off. But he ain't lying though, bro.
Oh my God.
Ain't nothing beat hard work and consistency, gang.
How you like it?
That's what I'm striving to be. About that month off that I had just now that I unfortunately had to take. That shit pushing me a long way. Y'all don't even understand what's coming next.
Nah, this shit look.
We already growing on Instagram.
Damn,
crazy.
This shit crispy as fuck. Asian went stupid too. Don't get it twisted. My son got it's the fastest Tesla in the world. But I want everybody watching this video, I want you to understand something. We're not done though. Like, we're gonna continue working. A lot of niggas get this and get lazy. Get comfortable, get lazy. Like this is, bro, I'm about to go stream. Bro, I'm about to go stream right now. I'm editing the
My
morning.
boy J Rock, what's good? Long time no see, gang.
Eat again.
Nigga said work out.
I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, yeah, they too lit. They too lit. I ain't gonna fucking lie. They make niggas like this. They niggas is younger than me, but it's inspiring. You feel me?
I called my phone. I was like, "Come outside, Flair. Come outside, hey, yo, Flair. Come outside." You feel me? I don't really see what's going on, but I'm thinking he's home though, cause I see both the big box. You know what I'm saying? But he said, "Come outside." I'm outside, and I hear a car. So I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying?
Motivation for sure. I don't know if you've been seeing what I've been doing on Instagram lately, J-Rock, but my shit growing.
Let me bust this down though.
Next is for YouTube, next is for Twitch. We doing better and better every day. You feel me?
Oh my God!
I gotta get back into my RP. I grew a lot during RP. I'll say that. My channel did grow a lot. Nigga said the day before he bought a. Nah, that shit sound beautiful. That shit sound too beautiful, yo. That shit sounds too beautiful, nigga.
Oh my
That nigga
God,
bought a Urus and bought a Hellcat.
Oh my.
And the lamb was yesterday.
That's how you reward yourself, nigga.
This is shitting right now. This shit is OD. Hold on, I'm about to wrap this bitch.
Oh my God, y'all hear that whine? Y'all hear that whine? That's how I'm about to make my Camaro. I'm about to put a supercharger in my Camaro.
Oh yeah, emergency brake. Oh yeah, emergency brake.
I don't know. I just got the shit. I don't know where anything.
Oh no, hold on.
Nah,
Look at
bro.
the family, bro.
Look at the family, bro. Alright, we got Hellcat, Hellkizzy. Don't say the Benz. Big body. Land truck. Land truck.
Goddamn.
Green Goblin.
Goddamn.
Esky the cut. What I keep trying to tell everybody is that we're not done. Because these are just little cool things, you know what I'm saying? Little toys, bro. Like, what I'm trying to say is, you gonna keep working. Some people just stop. I don't know why they stop. Nigga, keep working. Don't let this shit, don't they get down.
Is that eight? No, that's not agents.
So you about to get the V's tinted up, feel me? Hellkizzy. What you said it was? A red what? A red eye. Oh, this is a red eye. Listen, I didn't even know it was a red eye.
Wide body too.
Yup, wide body too. That's what I'm gonna wide body this bitch. Get these bitches, you know what I'm saying, looking good for prom. Know what I mean?
Good for prom is
Right,
crazy.
like, you know what I'm saying? Anybody that one of the little bros needed for the weekend, let us know, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get you right.
I know.
Hey, I know, wait, hold on, I forgot one thing, cause y'all think yo, bro, you can't be feeding if you don't eat good. Like, you know
This
what I'm
nigga got
saying?
food
Come
everywhere.
on, bro, you know what I'm talking about right here, man. Shout out to Suleika. Y'all know I'm about to bust this down. Well, I just looked at my phone. You know, my phone, I got a lamb truck on as my home screen and my lock screen. I'm like, and I looked at that, I'm like, I just started smiling, like.
As you should, nigga.
Crazy for real. I met a random person, right? At an A&P shoot. Shout out to her. She's golden. She was like, yo, you Dominican, right? I'm like, yeah, I'm Dominican. She's like, yo, whenever you need food, let me know. I said, I bet. God did. I'm talking about.
Oh my.
The food just got out of
Hold
heat up a little
on,
bit. I'm
damn.
saying, but God did. You see what's outside? You ain't see what's outside? Oh, you don't know what's going on.
Oh shit.
Look behind you though. Look behind you. Oh shit. They ain't believe in us. But God did.
That nigga agent never had no goddamn socks on, bro. That nigga has toes out every time,
cheating.
bro.
Why you cheating on your bitch in front of your old bitch? Nah, this nigga's crazy. This is my new bitch. My old bitch is right here. Just like, look at
Nah,
her.
Phantom really got that shit
Like, she's
wrapped
here.
beautifully.
Just looking at the new bitch, like, right? Like, but you know what? This is still my bitch, though. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, man.
Booby Tyson.
Motivation.